Presenting the Chevrolet 2013 Silverado 2500 HD work truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, 6-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 97.8, chrome grille and clock, and radio display. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.